Looking for a fast and easy way to secure your outdoor CO2 tanks? Introducing Aerosphere Outdoor Tank Cage. It keeps your bulk CO2 tank safe and secure and easily assembles in just under 30 minutes. Unlike most cages that take hours and extra trips to the hardware store, the cabinet comes with everything you need. A Sharpie for quick marking, the perfect drill bit for mounting holes, all the screws you need for quick assembly, as well as every bracket, bolt, and fitting required. It also features a built-in viewing window, a supply line portal in the back, a punch-out for an exterior fill box, and a durable lock with 2 keys. The cage seamlessly pairs with our line of additional accessories. The punch-out hole easily opens for a surface-mounted fill box. A 5-foot fill line and vent hose can easily be integrated for liquid CO2 transfer and safe pressure relief. And a 704 CO2 hazmat decal sticks right in the front for visual hazard compliance. And just like that, the cabinet comes together fast, clean, and ready for service. You'll have the industry's best CO2 tank cabinet fully assembled and ready to go in just under 30 minutes. Ready to secure yours today? Call us at 1-833-SENSOR4 or visit us at aerospheremonitoring.com.